Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arcsinx of x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the x over the square root of 1 minus s squared. This one we change by u. The x over the square root of 1 minus s squared we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go to the second one. We use the same technique, so I will put about u equals to arccosx of x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative dx over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So because we don't have the negative side, so I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by u. Dx over the square root of 1 minus s squared we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about arccosx of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.